What up, y'all? This is Sal from PED Associates coming at you from the PED Studios. We are here to talk to you today about Second Wind and its air purifiers that are EPA registered, FDA approved, Class 2 medical devices. So what exactly is Second Wind, or who is Second Wind, and what does EPA registered, FDA approved Class 2 medical device have to do with the consumer or the installer? Second Wind has been around since the early 90s, providing air treatment and clean air devices to OEMs in the air distribution space. And eventually, they developed their own sales team and sales force for greater reach and penetration into the marketplace. But the technology they utilize is much older. Ultraviolet germicidal irradiation, UVGI for short, has been around since beyond I can ever remember. I've only been born since 1987. Let's say 100 years. So it's not new, but it's like that fine wine. It just gets better with age. Photocatalytic oxidation, PCO for short, has been around for several decades. Tested and used by NASA on the International Space Station to preserve fruit and produce by use or by means of reducing ethylene levels, provides a benefit to those astronauts up there in space. Secondary benefits were the reduction of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. And let's be real, these acronyms, they're almost as confusing as the chemical compounds themselves. But what is a VOC? They are chemicals that off-gas from building materials, adhesives, solvents, and other materials commonly found inside of your home or workplace. In the same way your catalytic converter in your motor vehicle scrubs that exhaust, this technology helps scrub the air moving through your air conditioning system and throughout your home or your office. It's those benefits that translate well into the air distribution industry, utilizing a whole home purification system. If you think your ducted air conditioning system in your home or office as the lungs of your building envelope, what better means to address air purification than a holistic approach? Rather than putting an air cleaner or a plug-in air freshener in each individual room that might cover up pollutants, but you're probably adding additional VOCs into those air streams you're breathing. While your system is running, you'll typically see about 4 to 6 air changes per hour. That means 4 to 6 times every hour, every bit of your home is running through your ductwork, your filter, your AC system, and distributing that air throughout the entire home. So with a device like ours, think of it like a personal oxygen bar in your home or your office, except you don't have to wear that weird mask. As a Class 2 medical device, just as a doctor might prescribe a wheelchair to a person with mobility issues, they can also prescribe a device like ours for someone with respiratory issues. That's right, folks. Who needs legs when you can have clean lungs? But unlike a wheelchair, the Second Wind UV air purifier can help reduce the spread of airborne diseases and help improve overall air quality. And with its Class 2 medical device classification and EPA registration, you can trust it's been rigorously tested and proven to be safe and effective. And Class 2 means the potential for insurance coverage and tax write-offs. Finally, a way to have your respiratory health pay off. Now I know what you're thinking. An air purifier as a medical device? Well, of course. So whether you're concerned about cold or flu season, suffering from allergies, asthma, or just want to breathe cleaner air, the Second Wind UV air purifier is the way to go. It's the Class 2 medical device classification that's EPA registered, FDA approved, and it's like hitting the jackpot, but for your respiratory system. Be sure to reach out to us for more information.